Hey, good morning everyone. How's it going? So let me show you something real quick. Quick video here. I've already gone over this once before, actually twice before over the couple of years. But I want to just show you this. I got an '03 Silverado 2500 and we're going to be changing the motor on. I'm not going to make a video on that. What I want to show you is this. You got the hood open and you're going to be pulling the motor out. You don't have to take the hood off on these. A lot of people take the hood off. You don't have to. See this bolt hole here? What you do is you take this bolt out for the hinge right here and you stick it down in here. Obviously you can't do just one side and then go to the other. You kind of have to do both at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bolt out and this nut out and we're going to do it on both sides and then we're going to get this thing up. These are 13s, so let me get this loose and let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I already got the other side undone and I got the hinge off of it, see that? Now I also got a prop rod going here. Now if I was just doing this and not filming and everything else, I could probably do it without using a prop rod. So what you do is put a wrench to the inside, undo the nut. Now that's a 13 on both ends. Just put it off to the side. Now the hood prop is probably going to fall, so but if you hear something clank, that's what it is. Don't worry about it. Take that out. Now we're going to put the hood straight up. And we're going to go same way, go through and into the hinge. Now we're going to put a little bit of pressure on it so this way I can lock the nut in place, because otherwise the nut can fall off. So now, with that in place, we're going to do the other side too. Let's see if you can possibly see that. All right, we're just going to lock the other side in place. And then you just put the nut on. And there you go. Bingo. I mean, how easy, oops, let's get that back. How easy is that? Now the hood's all the way open. You didn't have to take the hood off. And you can get the motor out. So there you go. Like I said, just screw it in with your hand, no big deal. And the hood will stay just like that. All right. So that's pretty much it. If you're getting something out of the video, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.